720 and a Porsche. The boys is on them. Oh, 2, 3. Pulling up to the shop as we speak. I'm not gonna show the wheels just yet. Quick reveal of the wheels. All right, y'all, moment of truth. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to yet another video. Hope you guys are having a beautiful day. Currently, we are on our way to go link up with some of the homies. We're gonna be working on an M4 today. So not my M4, a completely different M4. That's gonna get slammed on some BC coilovers. So yeah, we're actually heading to the shop. It's been a minute since we've actually been to the shop. If you guys have been tuned to the channel, subscribed for a while, you guys remember, or you guys would know that we would do these shop days quite regularly. Seatbelt on, safety first, natives merch on, ready to go. As I was saying, we are gonna be working with an M4 today, Melissa's M4 to be exact. I believe she got new wheels as well. As of right now, we're just gonna make our way to the shop. All right, you guys, so for those of you guys that have been tuned in with the channel for a while, you guys know we would do shop days quite frequently. And when we got together, you know, it was always a blast. It was a dope video. Great videos to go back, check those videos out. That being said though, if you guys are new to the channel, welcome. Now, for all of you guys that are barely tuning into the channel, I hope you guys are finding yourself well. If you haven't already done so, do me the solid. I truly appreciate it. Go down, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started with this video. I'm not gonna lie, sometimes even I forget. Let's see if we can get this. There we go. Currently making our way onto the highway. If we find any cool whips, you know, hopefully we can get a quick run in. It is Memorial Day weekend, so, ooh, there goes my lip. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that traffic over there is no joke. It stretches all the way down past, I'm pretty sure all the way to Cesar Chavez, if I'm not mistaken. This congestion still goes and runs down past Silver. I'm surprised I haven't seen any CHP right now, but knock on wood. So unfortunately, we didn't find anything but regular traffic on the freeway, you guys. All right, y'all, I guess the only nice car we're seeing today is a 720 and a Porsche. But we should be pulling up short, and the boys is on them. Oh, yo. Oh, 2, 3, yo, what is going on today? I don't know if you guys saw that. 3 cops just passed by. Making our way to the shop. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but the 720 basically did a loop back, and guess what? There's like cops posted all over, and they're definitely keeping a close eye on her, like obeying to the speed limit and all. It's literally the only nice car I've seen today. But that being said, I'm gonna be cautious and worry about that posted up cop right there, because they're all over the place. Oh god, these streets are so bad. Sorry, you guys. South City industrial area, trash for the streets, trash. I did get a glimpse of the wheels that are going to be mounted on the M4 today, but noted that it's going to be on coilovers with that new suspension. Coilovers, that is. Oh, y'all in for a treat for sure. Y'all stay tuned. I do kind of wish I got like a before and after, just to like show you guys the difference of what drastic change, you know, like lowering your car does. Whether you do springs, coilovers, or bags, it makes a huge difference. But we are approaching the shop right now. I'll catch you guys there. All right, you guys, let me know down in the comments how many of you guys actually remember this spot. If you guys remember this spot, you guys are truly OGs to the channel, and for that I am forever grateful. Pulling up to the shop as we speak, and you guys can see Anderson's whip right there, the boy Henry's, and you guys see the M4 inside. Let's get a closer look. Let's find some parking and post up, you guys. But clean, fast guy right here. Anderson's Evo X. Like I said, coilover install on Melissa's M4. If you guys haven't already checked out the coilover install on my M4, I'll put the link up above. Boy Henry. And then the tuner's quick glimpse for you guys. All right, guys, so we find ourselves in the shop. Someone's coffee I just spilled. No, y'all did not see that on the vlog. M4 in, coilover install. We're not going too in depth just because we already did one, but you guys see one of the coilovers inside already. Teamwork. I'm not gonna show the wheels just yet. Teamwork over here. Hey man, you know, first one does the work, second one supports, and then the third one makes sure. Supervisor right here. And if 3 wasn't enough, we have Yanni in the house. Let him know. Oh, he's on fire. He's on fire.
On fire. He's on fire.
Oh, we're not gonna talk about that. Oh, teamwork. Right now, what I'm gonna be focusing on is actually the EDC delete. If you guys have EDC on your models, you basically have to code it out, or you get an EDC delete, which we have right now. I'm gonna be depinning this and installing this. All right, talk to the people now that you're a BMW technician.
I'm not.
He is. Tap in if you. He loves his BMWs.
Evil the world, bro.
Evil the world. I can agree with that.
M series.
Oh, a Beamer boy. Mustang. Beamer. All right, y'all. So quick reveal of the wheels. There, you guys have it. Work emotions. Talk to the people.
Work wheel only.
So y'all stay tuned to see these on the Beamer once we settle it down. Slowly but surely, I'm working on the deep pinning. I'm pretty much done. Piggy back tail is on. I just got to clip them in and then plug in the EDC delete. And we should be chilling on the driver's side, then passenger side, and so forth. It's going to be rather dope turnout. Y'all stay tuned for this. Quick test fit. The stance god right here. Check him out on the Instagram. So as Henry was saying, what? These wheels were what? 5x?
114.3.
And redrill 2?
120.
120. So he's gonna take these and slap them on the actual M4 right now. Oh, yup. Y'all see that? Fire aspects. Might have to cash out. But look at that front end. Damn, y'all. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. This thing's fire. I don't think I've seen one on actual Work Emotions. Come to think about it, I'm gonna start looking for 5x114s and just, you know, this setup is nasty. And we haven't even lowered it yet. So coilovers still have to set. Fitment check real quick. Oh, literally near to perfect.
Have you seen a monkey walk in the car?
BMW, he's a technician, BMW technician.
Oh, okay.
Certified.
Say his words. Apes together, strong.
Y'all heard it here first. All right, y'all, moment of truth. We are gonna touch down. See if we dial in that suspension correctly. The suspense, you guys. Oh my god, this shit looks too fire. What you think, tuner? We need low. I got maybe 2 fingers. Let us know. I like it. Now we just gotta focus on the rear. All right, you guys. So EDC delete practically done. Deep pinned and repinned for the KW EDC delete kit. All we gotta do now, just zip tie this stuff. Finished the support bracket or the brace, the carbon brace. I tidied everything up. All that's left on this side is really just a little the plastic covers. Got a little dirty, but you know, we gotta play to play. Wheels in the front are on. We're doing the rears. Technician in the house. He says go lower. We need low. So when we finish the rear, we'll then adjust the front. As of right now, it's looking stunning right now. Y'all stay tuned for the end result. We're gonna jump straight into it. And just like that, rear setup is done. We got technician Henry in the house right now, just putting on the lug nuts right now. After that, we are gonna lower it and then basically give you guys a reveal on the full stance. This car made a drastic change. Night and day difference, you guys. Literally what suspension and wheels can do. Quick moment of truth. Touchdown in a few, you guys. There it goes. That guy Anderson. Oh. That rear is about to be tough. I think that's perfect in the rear. It might get a little rough, but there you guys have it. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. Game changer for sure. Maybe slight camber in the rear. Tuck that a little bit in. Overall, this thing is gas. Quick final adjustments. How much are we sending it down?
Full thing.
Full fan. BC coils on. You guys see the fitment in the rear. Minor adjustments, and then it's gonna go for a test run. Final adjustments. Time for the test run. Thank you to the mechanic right here. Shout out to the toners. Let us know. Quick walk around. Henry's saying go lower. Let us know what you guys think. Comments. Rear for show. Perfect. a little bit of camber, as I was saying, and it would be flush, but just, I guess, test run now, make sure the rear doesn't rub or anything. He said,
no warranty though.
no warranty, tap in. What do you think?
Good, I like it. Well,
You
half
sure?
an inch more.
Half an inch more, she's saying. But the tuner himself says he's cool with this one. They said they want to keep the lip. F82 M4 all set. E46 is coming in for a 6-speed manual swap and a turbo on the S54. But we're gonna be moving Henry's car out the way. Crazy fitment. Fire. All right, you guys, take it all in. I'm actually in awe. Something about oh man, these wheels just go so nice with this car. And everybody always hating about Japanese wheels on Euro cars. Y'all don't know what's up. This is definitely it. Another F82 in and done. Full sand. Literally beamer on beamer, beamer, Henry's beamer over there, and then of course beamer over there. All right, you guys, while we wait for the return of the M4, Anderson's Evo 10 is going to be in for some side skirts and mirrors. Fast guy. Slow guy. The return of the M.
Oh, sí se metió más, sí se metió.
Carbon lip is still intact. I think fitment is settling down.
It might rub a little bit on the back if I have someone. When I was at the gas station, it was like fender to tire, but
She likes fenders to tire.
She likes being no.
Detail and all. Quick rundown on the cars, you guys. Evo side skirts are on. Saying pretty. M4 saying even better. Damn. So I'm gonna go grab mine real quick. I'm gonna wash it because we got a car meet tomorrow, so gotta get on top of that. Quick shout out to the BMW tech, the detailer. Quick wash for the M4. It is dirty, so y'all see it in person. If you guys haven't already subscribed to the channel, go down, hit that sub button, show some love. All cars washed, prepped, and ready for tomorrow. You guys see the M4 over there. But overall, dope turnout, dope outcome. Those wheels are stunning. Y'all let us know. Let us know down in the comments what car is your favorite. Evo 10, M4, E46, Coke White, M4. That being said, you guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. It got cold out there, but don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and like always, you guys, keep it authentic. Until the next one.